Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Right? We'll solve this problem, that is question number 5. Here, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? We know that 1 hour 1 hour 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Right? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We know this, right? Therefore, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Therefore, fraction of an hour is 40 minutes is equal to, that means 40 minutes out of 60 minutes. Out of 60 minutes, that is 40. That is 40 by 60, right? 0, 0 will cut, right? And if we cut it by 2, 2 to the 4, and 2 by 2 3 is 6. That is by 2 by 3. Therefore, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? Therefore, 2 by 3 of an hour is 40 minutes. Right? The question is, what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, out of 60 minutes it is 40. Therefore, 40 by 60, 0, 0 will cut. 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6, that is 2 by 3. Therefore, the answer is 2 by 3 of an hour is 40 minutes. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.